Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 500 two wireless sound earbuds, and I will show you how we can fix connection problem on these earbuds. So as you can see, in my case everything is fine, they are connected, but if you have any problem we can make few things. So at the first I'm going to disconnect from my smartphone, and as you can see, when I make it, they are already in the pairing mode. So normally when you take them from the charging case like that, let me show you. I open the case, indicator are activate. I'm going to take them off, and as you can see, indicator are blinking, so it means that they are already in the pairing mode. So I don't even have to do anything. But if in your case they are not blinking, at the first you have to click and hold both earbuds for the 5 seconds. For example, let's click on the left one. When you release that key after a few seconds, as you can see right now, both are turned off. And that's how it looks in your case, right? Indicators are not activate, so what you have to do right now, click and hold the right one for the 5 seconds. And right now you will get notification that they are in the pairing mode. So when you refresh your list, you will be able to connect them. Just like that. But if you still have that problem and they are not activate, you can try to make the reset. And if you wonder how to make the reset, you have to simply click and hold each earbud for 8 seconds in this button. Let's make it right now. Right now they are turned off, and if this indicator is also blinking, you have to turn it off again. So we have to turn off each earbud. And the next thing, we have to activate them. So we have to click both buttons for the 10 seconds at the same time. Let's make it right now. Keep holding. And right now, when you get that notification that devices activate, you have to release both keys, and as you can see right now, they are in the pairing mode. So right now, we'll be simply able to connect them. We will be able to find them. When you refresh, they will pop on the list, and you will be able to pair them. So, if you have any problem, you can at the first try to move them to the pairing mode manually. When it's not going to help, you can reset them. And after that, for sure, you will be able to connect them to your phone. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.